You don't need another application to transfer text from an image and turn it into editable text that you can simply copy and paste into Word, Photoshop, or any other word processing or graphic design app. This makes it much faster to create layouts for posters, tarpaulins, invitations, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly convert image text into editable text without using additional software. This method saves time, improves workflow, and helps you finish your design projects faster. Whether you're working on posters, tarps, invitations, or other layouts, this simple trick will make your work easier and more efficient. Just upload your image, extract the text, copy it, and paste it directly into your design. No need to retype everything manually. It's fast, convenient, and perfect for designers, print shops, and content creators.